Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to spot for all things motorcycles. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard, a bike that combines timeless American cruiser appeal with the latest in modern technology. The Softail Standard is a classic, stripped-down beauty that emphasizes raw power and an authentic Harley experience. Let's explore what makes the 2025 model stand out. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard embodies the essence of Harley's iconic cruiser design. The minimalist approach to its styling presents a perfect blend of classic and modern elements. The bike features a sleek, clean frame, complemented by a blacked-out engine and exhaust system that gives it a bold, aggressive look. Its signature round headlamp and minimalist fenders are a nod to Harley's heritage, while the updated paint schemes, including deep metallic shades, offer riders a chance to stand out in style. Performance and powertrain. The 2025 Softail Standard is powered by Harley's proven 107cc Milwaukee-Eight V-twin engine, known for its smooth yet powerful performance. This bike produces plenty of torque right from the start, delivering that unmistakable Harley rumble. The engine is paired with a refined 6-speed transmission, designed to offer smooth shifting and efficient power delivery. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting the city streets, the Softail Standard's performance promises an exhilarating experience. Enhanced with a new air-cooled system, this year's model promises better heat management and consistent power. Safety and technology. As expected from Harley-Davidson, the 2025 Softail Standard is equipped with the latest safety and rider comfort features. The bike comes with an updated ABS braking system, ensuring smooth stops no matter the conditions. The suspension setup has been upgraded to deliver a more comfortable ride, whether on long highway stretches or winding city roads. The Softail also benefits from improved LED lighting, offering better visibility at night. Riders will also enjoy the new, more ergonomic seat design for added comfort on long rides. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard strikes the perfect balance between Harley's legendary cruiser feel and the performance riders crave. With its timeless design, powerful V-twin engine, and improved safety features, the Softail Standard remains one of the most coveted motorcycles in its class. Whether you're a longtime Harley enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of cruises, this bike offers a raw, authentic experience that's sure to impress. For more reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles, don't forget to subscribe to Gear Grinders.